A socket wrench is an essential tool in any mechanics or DIY enthusiast toolbox, designed for efficiency, precision, and durability. Unlike traditional wrenches that require continuous repositioning, a socket wrench features a ratcheting mechanism that allows for smooth, continuous motion without having to lift and reset after every turn. This feature makes it an indispensable tool for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, such as within an engine bay or under heavy machinery. Socket wrenches come in a variety of sizes and drive configurations, typically measured in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, each catering to different levels of torque and accessibility. High-quality socket wrenches are often made from chrome vanadium steel, ensuring maximum strength, corrosion resistance, and longevity even in the most demanding work environments. Some models include features like quick-release buttons, fine-toothed ratcheting mechanisms for smoother operation, and ergonomic, non-slip handles for improved grip and comfort during extended use. Whether working on automotive repairs, assembling furniture, or tackling heavy-duty construction projects, a well-crafted socket wrench set provides the reliability and performance needed to get the job done efficiently. Beyond its basic functionality, the socket wrench is a cornerstone of mechanical and industrial work due to its versatility and adaptability. With a comprehensive set of interchangeable sockets, users can seamlessly switch between different bolt sizes, eliminating the need to carry multiple individual wrenches. Some advanced models also include flex head designs, allowing for enhanced maneuverability in tight spaces, or extendable handles for increased torque with less effort. The ratcheting mechanism itself is designed to operate with precision, often featuring a high tooth count that enables finer adjustments with minimal handle movement, an essential feature when working in restricted spaces. Professional-grade socket wrenches may also include impact-rated options, designed for use with pneumatic or electric power tools, providing extra strength for high-torque applications such as automotive lug nuts or industrial machinery maintenance. The widespread use of socket wrenches across industries, from automotive and construction to aviation and home improvement, highlights their significance as a universal tool for mechanical fastening. Investing in a quality socket wrench set ensures not only smoother and more efficient work, but also long-term durability, making it a must-have for both professionals and hobbyists alike.